Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a magnification shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. How to set up shortcut for our magnification. The easiest way to do it is simply go to Settings, then we are looking for accessibility options. Here, then visibility enhancements, and here we have magnification. In this little menu we have magnification shortcut. We check this little box, and here we have few options. We can triple tap the screen, we can press slide buttons, or we can have it in our accessibility bar. Let's say tap screen 3 times. Let's see if it works. Yes, it does. As you can see, 3 times again, and now it's off. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.